Understanding Your Right to Protest. A Guide for English Learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an important concept in democratic societies, the right to protest. This phrase is not only significant in terms of politics and society but is also a great example of how English language can be used in real-world contexts. So, let's dive into understanding what right to protest really means. The phrase, right to protest, refers to the freedom or entitlement of people to publicly express their opinions, typically against something they perceive as wrong or unjust. This right is a fundamental part of democratic societies. It allows people to gather in public spaces, like streets or parks, to voice their concerns and opinions. The key elements here are freedom of expression and public assembly. Understanding the historical context helps in grasping why this right is so valued. Throughout history, protests have led to significant changes in societies. For instance, the Civil Rights Movement in the United States greatly advanced racial equality. This historical perspective shows how protests can be powerful tools for societal change. Every country has its own laws regarding protests. Generally, the right to protest is protected by law, but there are usually regulations to ensure public safety and order. For example, in many places, you might need to get permission from local authorities for a large public gathering. It's important to understand these legal nuances. Let's go over some common vocabulary and phrases. Demonstration, another word for protest. Rally, a large public gathering, usually peaceful, to support a cause. Picket, people standing or marching near a place to protest. Civil disobedience, a form of protest where people intentionally break certain laws to make a point. Today, protests continue to be a vital way for people to express dissatisfaction and demand change. They can range from small local gatherings to large-scale international movements. Understanding the role of protests helps in comprehending current global events and the nature of social change. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and significance of the right to protest. It's a powerful expression of freedom and democracy, and a fascinating topic for English language learners. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar, but also about understanding the culture and values it represents. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.